everyone. Well, it's Pajama Day at the Diva's house, and I wanted to make sure that I came on and wished all of you, all my YouTube family, a very, very Merry Christmas. Whatever you're doing today, make it the best. I'm going to show you a few little clips of what my family's doing today. We have yummy food, we have presents to open, we have my grandson Kyle filming this and laughing at me. But anyway, seriously, and I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of you for all the support you've given me and my channel this past year. I couldn't have reached the amount of subscribers I have without all of you. So thank you so much. Love you all. Stay tuned and watch the Baking Divas Christmas. Toodles!
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Here's our dining room table. Next to everybody's place setting, we have a little chocolate Santa. I'll try to zoom in on that so you can see it. There you go. And also, on everybody's plate, Aaron and Lucas decorated the little stockings, cookie stockings, and they put everyone's name on the bag, and everyone could either eat them or take them home as a little memento. We thought they looked so cute. Table's pretty. I usually put out my Christmas china, but I took a little shortcut this year. I thought this looked really pretty. We also, let me just pick this up. Under here, you know how I love the trucks, right? We have nice dishes I bought with the red truck. And then on top of it, for our appetizers, I have another dish with a red truck. And then we have the cookie. And beautiful sparkling centerpiece on the table. And these candles you see here with the poinsettias, they're on a timer. So at 5 o'clock every night they go on, and I think they stay on for about 6 hours. So here's our table. I thought I'd film it before everybody sits down to eat, and it gets to be a big mess. Bon appetit. Oh, look at Brownie. She's so excited. Look at her. Santa brought her balls in her stocking. Look, she wants me to open them. Oh, you like those balls Santa brought you? And what else do you have here? Oh, a donut. All right, I'm going to open them. Come here. Come here. Let me see the balls. Let me see the balls. Come here. Come here. Oh, she likes those balls. Brownie, I'm going to open it. Just trying to open them. Brownie, so excited. She got balls and a donut. Whoa, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Oh, you must have been a good doggy this year. You got all these toys from Santa. Gosh. All right, good girl. Now we're gonna hear squeaking all day long. Oh! And let's see, we got a donut here. More balls. Ooh, and a squeak toy. You like your ball. All right. Oh, God. There's Dawn over there in her Christmas PJs.
Merry
Hi,
Christmas.
Dawn. Merry Christmas. She's helping herself to some of that.
Yummy. Right here is my favorite.
Right, the yummy antipasto.
Sharp provolone.
I'm ready to dig in
That's
now.
the best.
See you later. There's my son-in-law. Oh, look at him in his pajamas. Hi. Oh, wait. Get a load of his socks. That's their dog Pebbles on his socks. So cute. There's Dawn over there in her PJs. Everybody's relaxing. What does your shirt say?
Does somebody need a hug?
I think just about everybody needs a hug now, but you can't hug anybody.
No, with a mask on you can.
That's true. Oh, here's Dawn's new socks. One says, if you can read this, and the other one says, I'm watching Hallmark Christmas movies. Very cool, Dawn.
I love Christmas movies.
I know that.
They're the best.
Yep.
These were a Secret Santa gift
Oh, okay.
for me.
Very cute. Oh, look, I found a Grinch. I found 7 Grinches, 6 on his shirt, and 1 big Grinch. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
There's Scotty over there. He has his pajama bottoms on, but just a hanging out kind of shirt, right? Hi, Scott. Merry Christmas. Jason's opening one of his gifts. I told you.
Oh my God.
Let me see those. He's
Lance's
got Golden
Southern
Girls.
Charming.
Look at that. Let me zoom in on that.
Sophia's Judgments.
Jason loves the Golden Girls.
And finally,
And I couldn't find the 4th one.
Olaf. Well, they're all dead.
No, but 4th one I couldn't find.
Oh, the other one, B. Arthur.
Yeah, I think she must be popular. She was sold out.
Dorothy's Bornak we're missing. Thank you, Grandma.
Aaron's playing Santa today. He's giving out the gifts. Oh, Kyle, something.
This is to Grandma's Jake and Aaron. Whoa, let me get this bag open here. Woo.
Merry Christmas, Grandma,
Jingle, jingle.
My windbreaker.
Merry Christmas, Grandma, Grandpa.
My windbreaker.
Dog wants to go get a present.
All right, now I got it.
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, I know what this is.
Thank you. The jacket.
Oh, yeah.
You get this open. Oh, look it. Oh, look what I got. Look, Lucas. Look. Oh, it's Flippy. Flippy. Oh, this is crazy. The dog's barking. Flippy. Flippy. Put my iPad on at night when I'm in bed. Ooh, there's a cameraman opening a gift. It's a very large box.
What's that?
Come on, cameraman.
Just look at the picture. Picture.
Oh, picture on there.
The lamp.
What could it be? What could it be? What could it be?
It's a
Dun,
lamp.
da, da, da.
What is it?
Hold it up so we could see the suspense.
Oh, is that?
He's gonna turn into one of us.
Oh, look what he
lamp
got.
for the
Solar lamps to replace all his broken ones
Those are
outside.
high quality.
You mean they're not the
Solar lights.
Kmart specials?
They make non-white dragons.
I need these.
Very nice.
They're
Now we
nice
can
glass.
replace all those ones that are out there that broke. Very
I read the
nice.
reviews. They had very high.
Yes, Dawn has some
Some hot socks.
socks. Brush cleaner, makeup brush cleaner.
Oh, I like these.
Yes. Glittery mask.
Glittery face
Yes.
masks. Oh, I like these a lot.
Oh, good. Okay. Here's Kyle opening a gift from Grandma and Grandpa.
You gonna eat the bubble?
Just what he wanted.
You win.
Oh. Those are the ones you wanted? Kyle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Don't tell me though.
Hopefully they fit. Lucas is opening up a gift now.
I like those.
Let's see what he's got there. Nice wrapping paper. It has dogs on it and dog bones.
I got a box.
What could be in there? What do you think, Lucas?
Get an ornament basketball.
You have any guesses? No?
I bet it's a marshmallow.
A big flat one.
Big flat marshmallow.
Let's see, let's see. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
said last year too.
Ooh, what could it be? Oh, Abercrombie hoodie. Who's that from?
Why are we not reading the labels before we open gifts?
Who's that from?
I forgot. I was reading.
He was so excited, he
Very
forgot.
snaggly.
Oh no, that's.
From Jake and Aaron.
Oh, Jake and Aaron. Hold it up so I could see it.
Aaron?
You like Abercrombie,
He goes
don't you,
to Aaron?
Lucas?
Oh, that's
Oh, that's really nice. Let me see.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree. Hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Okay, everybody relaxing in your pajamas. Did you all enjoy opening your gifts?
Yes, thank you.
Oh,
everybody.
yes. Everybody have a good
Save it
time
for
opening
car.
their gifts? Yes. And look at this mess all over the floor.
Our side is
Holy
very
mollies. Ooh, this is a big mess
So
to
next
clean
year we
up.
gotta sit next to Donnie.
Ooh,
And we have a nice
big
neat
mess to
floor.
clean up.
Clean as you go.
Jake.
We clean as we go. All right, everybody, thank you.
Thank
Oh,
Now
this is
it's
from
time
Pebbles.
to go eat.
Yes.
Okay, everybody's sitting down having dinner now.
I think I
They
did.
had their antipasto, we opened gifts, and now they're all having dinner. Hi, cameraman.
Hi, Baking Diva. Merry Christmas,
Merry
Baking Diva.
Christmas. And there's Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Baking
Meet
Diva.
the family. That's my son-in-law, and there's my daughter, Dawn. Merry Christmas.
Merry
And you all
Christmas.
know Lucas. And there's my son, Scott, down there. Hi, Scott. Merry Christmas. And there's Aaron. Oh, my goodness. This is some group, let me tell you.
You said that.
Oh,
She said
boy.
that. My son-
And there's Jake, and
Found out who did it.
Kyle, and Papu's back there, and Nana. Oh my God. And can you imagine, say Merry Christmas, and can you imagine, they're only drinking soda and iced tea? Imagine if they were drinking an alcoholic beverage.
That was a two. You blasted one there, Lucas.
All right.
Mayor Giuliani.
We have chicken franchise.
Chicken things in there.
Oh yeah, I heard about
Yes,
You want a piece
and
of
we
ham,
have pasta bolognese,
that. Want some sauce?
and we have ham,
You guys need a drink?
And oh boy, I hope they all leave room for dessert. It's dessert time at the Baking Diva's house. And looky, looky, looky what we have here. Santa came to see us. Hi, Santa. Thank you for all the nice things you brought me. Oh. I'm ready to have dessert now. Here's a pretty plant that Phyllis and Jerry brought over. I think it's called the Anthurium? I think so. In fact, it's interesting because on the tag it says 6 cubes of ice cubes once a week. 6 ice cubes once a week. And here I have the chocolate chip cookies I made this week. And here's the Grinch cookies. And here's the Christmas fudge. I made some Italian Pignoli cookies. And I'm not sure what this is going to taste like. I tried it out. It's a no-bake candy cane pie. And this is my snowman poop. And there's my grandma's Italian cookies. And the Buckeyes. And this little only piece is what's left of the green Christmas cake that I did a video on. So everybody's still a little full, but very shortly we're going to sit down and enjoy all these goodies. Yum, yum, yum.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.